Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small from CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of making sure your beneficiaries are up to date. Before we get to that though, if you have estate planning questions or needs, if you have probate questions or needs, please feel free to reach out to me, to us. We offer free 30-minute phone call or in-person meetings where we'll talk about your goals, your needs, your wants, your desires, the people you want to cut out, whatever you want. And we'll show you how to do it, help you do it if you want us to, and because that's what we do. So if you want to set that up, go to estatemeeting.com and pick a time. You'll see my calendar. I would love to talk to you. estatemeeting.com. So today's advice, today's information comes from, again, a real world scenario. We are doing a probate for a gentleman, and he called me up and was curious about what to do in the scenario. Someone died, and they had a will that split their assets equally amongst 3 people, let's say, hypothetically, and there were some retirement accounts, several retirement accounts. Some of them had beneficiary designations that matched the will. Some of them had beneficiary designations that did not match the will, and in fact, cut out one of the 3 people that the will wanted to distribute everything equally to. And these 3 people happened to be kids, which leads you to believe that it's likely that the decedent, the person that died, did not intend to cut out one of their kids from this IRA account. What had happened though was those beneficiary designations had been set like 20 years ago, and they were never updated. And as you can see, now there is a potential problem because those beneficiary designations supersede or are in front of what the will says. So whatever the beneficiary designations say, that's where they go. No questions, no fluff. I can tell you another story. This is anecdotal. A buddy of mine told me this, that he experienced it for real, is one of somebody he knows. I don't know if it's a friend or not, just to be completely honest, but somebody that he knows was married and was having a kid, and they had a kid, and during that process of giving birth, the mother died, and she had a life insurance policy, but she did not update it, and the life insurance policy named her father as the beneficiary of that policy and not her husband, and the husband and the father did not get along, and the husband or the father took that money and didn't give it to the husband, didn't use it for the family or anything. So not having up-to-date beneficiary designations can have dire consequences. So make sure that your beneficiary designations are up to date. If you are a client of mine, I help that happen because every year I send you an email and I reach out to you and I check in and I say, hey, it's been a year since we did our estate plan. Please check and make sure that everything is great with your plan, and please go and quickly review your beneficiary designations to make sure they're up to date and point where you want them to go. All right, that's it. It's very important to do that. So please, if you haven't done it in a while, whether you're a client or not, please reach out to your financial institutions. Just ask them to confirm who your beneficiary designations are. If you do not have beneficiary designations, I would encourage you to do that. Otherwise, those accounts are going to end up in probate, and you don't want them there. Okay, that's it. I'm Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Once again, if you have questions or comments or need help, please go to estatemeeting.com. You can set up a time to talk to me for free, in person or over the phone for 30 minutes or however long it takes in most cases. I'd love to do that. Go to estatemeeting.com. And as always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know somebody that needs to hear it, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it below. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.